I want to illustrate the use of the precisions under setup and defaults for the parameters that we use to set up data files, and also the precision and the range for the sliders that are helpful for generating data. For this system, for example, suppose I lay out a pipe. The pipe is scaled to a certain length. And if we click on the pipe, we'll see what that length is. And here it's 1292.06 something feet. Now that's a lot more precision than we need. And let's look at the roughness of this pipe. We have a slider here that goes back and forth between 50 and 150 in groups of, or increments of 2. Now suppose I wanted to set this for 111. I can't do it because the increment is 2. If it went from 100 to 150 in increments of 1, I could do that. Now the sliders are limited to 50 increments. Now I can change both of these situations under setups and defaults. If I go in to the menu, I can select any number of items here, and I'll select the pipe length. And I can set the precision. And in here, instead of 0.001, which is much more precision than I need for this problem, I'll set it to 1. Now I can also go in to the pipe roughness, and now I have a slider that starts at 50 in increments of 2. I want it to start at 100 in increments of 1. Now I'll go back to the map, and we'll see now if I click on this pipe, it's been rounded off to 1292. And I can also, when I move this slider, I can set it to 111. Now if I lay out another section of pipe, the same thing applies. The pipe itself has been scaled off to the nearest foot, and the roughnesses I can set in increments of 1. So this is a very useful feature that you should do as you start your system layout. It will help you generate the data to the precision you want it, and much more quickly.